Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we are going to be working on my den. This is my favorite room to decorate for fall. The last couple of years I have been gathering the decor that I want for this room, and I just love the cozy vibes in here. I really embrace the blues and the bright oranges and kind of mustard yellows for this room. So as you can see, I gave you a little overview of the things I'll be using, and then here's a little overview of the room. I'm going to be doing a deep clean on this room today while we decorate, so I'll be sharing that as well. As you can see, a few pictures are already hung. My husband wanted to help, and so he tried to hang some pictures for me before I got started. First things first, I had to get started with the deep clean. This is kind of our, I'll say, family room. This is where we like to hang out, and it's also kind of our animals' playroom. You'll notice, of course, we've got the cat tree, and then we've also got their buckets of toys and stuff in there. So this is just one of my favorite rooms in our home. I decided, since I was going to be in here where the big TV was, that while I was cleaning, I might as well get started on one of the items on my bucket list, and that was to watch Gilmore Girls. I love that the cats always want to be involved in what's going on. Mama Kitty had to come and check out what was going on with the ottoman, and then Sandy, she didn't understand why I was trying to get all of the dog hair off of our rug. Just a little tip, if you have animals or just have rugs or carpet that's hard to get the hair off of with your vacuum, the Dollar Tree has these little grippy attachments that pull the hair up with ease. I know everyone likes to do a good spring cleaning, but I love nothing more than a fall deep clean. Trying to get everything cleaned and straightened up before I drag out all of my fall decor and then my Christmas decor. It just feels so nice to have everything gone through and organized. So that's what I've been doing as I've gone room to room decorating for fall. I've not shared as much of the cleaning part just because I didn't want the videos to be overloaded. It definitely makes me feel like the house is ready for the season. The last few years, I've been making this area on our little entertainment center into a mini pumpkin patch of sorts. And as you could see before I started, we have the big sound bar and then another router and everything that, of course, drives me nuts as far as like being able to see it. So one thing I loved about creating this pumpkin patch area here is that I was able to hide all of that and really just bring in some warmth and make this area look nice and cozy. And once I got it just the way I wanted it, of course it was time to light a candle. And this is an overview of how the entertainment center area turned out. Again, this is how I've been doing it kind of the last couple of years, and I just really love the way that it looks. And then I just had those couple other pictures to hang up. And because I had already put my floral arrangement together for this room, I just popped that in the windowsill there, and this area was done. I had to take a quick break to see Jared Padalecki on Gilmore Girls. I have never watched Gilmore Girls, as I mentioned in my fall bucket list video, so it was on my list to watch this year. And it kind of cracked me up seeing him so young. I'm a huge Supernatural fan, so I loved seeing him back before his supernatural days. And then, of course, no area is complete without the throw blankets. I've had these same blankets for a couple of years, and I really love them in here. They are in this room most all the time, but they just kind of match the decor in the fall, so it works out perfectly. Few final touches, and this room was done. I love how this all came together. These warm colors in here really help to brighten it up, especially when the sun shines through all of these windows. It just adds that warm glow, and I love it. Thank you so much for joining me today while I cleaned and did a little decorating. I hope that you enjoyed, and if home decor and DIY are your kind of thing, I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel and joining me and my YouTube family.